Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for real estate. First, understand that HubSpot provides a centralized system to manage all your client interactions. It helps you organize leads, track communications, and automate many routine tasks. This integration allows real estate agents to focus more on building relationships and closing deals, rather than getting bogged down in administrative work. It's designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Next, let's look at contact and lead management. HubSpot's CRM allows you to store detailed profiles for every client and prospect. You can log calls, emails, and meetings, ensuring you always have a complete history of your interactions. This helps you personalize your outreach and follow-ups. You can also segment your leads, perhaps by property type or budget, making it easier to target specific groups with relevant information and offers. Now, let's explore automation for marketing and sales. HubSpot enables you to set up automated email sequences for lead nurturing, perhaps for new listings or open house invitations. You can also create custom deal pipelines to visually track properties from initial inquiry to closing. Automating routine tasks, such as scheduling follow-up calls or sending property updates, saves significant time, allowing you to focus on high-value activities and client engagement. Finally, HubSpot's reporting and analytics tools are invaluable. You can generate comprehensive reports on various aspects of your business, such as lead sources, sales conversion rates, and marketing campaign performance. Analyzing this data helps you understand what's working well and where adjustments are needed. This insight allows you to make informed, data-driven decisions to refine your strategies, improve efficiency, and ultimately drive more successful outcomes for your real estate ventures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.